Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to adjust the height of the front hood on pretty much any vehicle. For example, I will take this Dodge Avenger and then I will show you the same thing on a couple of vans and a Volkswagen Jetta. So in case one of the sides of the front hood is higher than the other side, or if these two lines are not completely aligned, for example if the fender is lower than the hood or higher than the hood, I will show you what you can do. Each vehicle will have two pins under the front hood, and in this case on Dodge Avenger this is for the right side and this is for the left side. So pretty much what you can do, if you turn this pin counterclockwise, you will actually unscrew it and the hood will sit higher, and if you turn it clockwise, this pin will slowly go in. And how it goes in, once the front hood is closed, the hood will sit lower, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can align the height of the hood. Now I will show you how this looks on a couple of other vehicles. Now this is 06 Ford Freestar minivan, so the same thing. This is how those pins look on this vehicle, and you can screw them in or out to get different height of that front hood. This one is an 06 Volkswagen Jetta. Now this one doesn't have the pins down here, but it has them up here on the hood, so pretty much the same thing. You can screw those pins in or out, and once you close the front hood, by that you can control if it sits lower or higher. And this is the Dodge minivan, which is also gonna have those pins down here. And now I think you pretty much get the idea how you can adjust the height of your front hood. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel.